Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube channel profile photo. But before starting the video, I am requesting you please like the video and subscribe my channel. Now let's go to desktop screen. First go to Chrome and click on Profile Photo. Go to Manage your Google account. Now click on Profile Photo or go to Personal Information. Now click on Add Profile Picture. You can use these pictures as profile photo. If you want to add your custom photo, then click on From Computer. Open the image you want to add. Click on Next. Here you can choose one of these options. If you select the first option, then everyone can see your profile photo. If you select the second option, then people you want to see your image can see your profile photo. Click on Save as Profile Photo. Now close this window and your profile picture will be changed. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.